Hey y'all, welcome back to my kitchen. So in honor of Cinco de Mayo, also my birthday, I am making my black bean cilantro dip. Super easy, super healthy, only 5 ingredients, 6 if you count water. Let's get started. So first I got black beans. Black beans are so good for controlling blood sugar, lowering cholesterol, and even gut health. Then we got a little bit of nutritional yeast. I've talked about this before on here. It's good for immune system, boosting the immune system. Then we got a little cilantro, great for detoxing the body. It helps to pull toxins out of us. Then I'm gonna add a little water and a little salt and then a little lime juice. And then I'm just gonna blend all of this together in my food processor. Oops, super simple, but for TV time's sake, I already have it blended here. So you just want to blend it until it's like smooth and creamy. So delicious. My favorite way to eat it is on chips, but let me tell you, all chips are not created equal. This is actually one of my favorite brands. It's Late July organic chips, only 3 ingredients: corn, oil, and salt. So make sure you check your chip ingredients. Don't need all those preservatives. But you can even make your own chips by cutting up some tortillas and baking them in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you go to my Instagram, Meg Unprocessed, you can see my tutorial there on that. But anyways, I hope you enjoy it. Add it to tacos. So delicious, so good. You can go to abc10.com/Meg to get the recipe. And also I have a taco recipe that's on there too. So make sure to check that out. We'll see you next time.